Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is about 90 degrees, fairly warm but not as hot as it has been. The last few days, maybe a week, have been really nice in the 80s. I got my windows all in, and I made some frames here. This is pretty neat stuff here. This is PVC plastic, and as you can see, it's not connected. I made these with pocket hole screws, and I've got them set on. I've still got to go in behind here first and put the flashing on. I haven't, they're not connected, they're just setting on there now. But that is really neat because you never have to paint it, and it will last forever because it's PVC. Let's go inside and let me show you a little bit of the work that Bert and I have been doing. I was just out here today doing some more measuring. We still like the wall that's going here for this bathroom. The house is going to be 2 full baths, 2 bedroom, and pretty much just a kitchen. There may be a chair over there. There'll be an island right here with maybe 3 bar stools, and then my desk will go over in that corner. That way I can kind of watch people as they come in. If somebody comes up on the porch, I'll be able to see them before they get to the door. One thing you got to remember though, guys, is when you buy one of these buildings and plan on making it into a home, that this thing is not designed for that, and you'll have to do a lot of modifications, especially when they come out and deliver it and level it. I knew these guys did not work for the company that made this building. They were just contracted to deliver them, and the guy did a real good job. I mean, I'm not saying anything bad about it, but his job was to deliver it, level it, get it set, and then he's gone. And Bert and I got under this thing, and we lifted it, jacked it up, put more blocks. We've got a few more things to tweak, but everything seems to be pretty good. The floors make a lot of noise. We're going to have to come back in here and put some more screws down. When you walk on it, you hear squeaks and squawks, and nails are coming up, and we'll use some screws and get them screwed down. But anyway, that's what we've got so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Stay tuned, and if you get a chance and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like, comment, do whatever, and especially comment, guys. If there's something you see me doing wrong and you're a carpenter or you're an electrician, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.